Assalamualaikum, and now I'm going to explain MATLAB coding of Oqpsk. At first, we clear and closing the file or variable by CLC clear all and close all, and then here we start our coding. Here is we generate the quadrant carrier signal. Where is the bit convert per unit of time, bit duration, and then we declare here n is equal to 10, and then TB is the time of data to be sent is equal to 1, and then the frequency of carrier here is equal to 1. And then we define T and M at here. And we look here, we have a C1 and C2. C1 and C2 is because of the two carrier, which is one for odd and another one for even. And then at here we plot the graph for binary data bits, carrier signal 1 and the carrier signal 2. We plot the graph in the first row of the 3x1 matrix. Next part is the modulation part. At first we declare of A1, A2, A3 and A4, and then for I is equal to 1 to N and T1, and then at this part is we can tell that if mi is equal to 1, so we get ones, or else as we will get minus 1. So we can tell here that if we get 1, so matrix we creating 1. So if we get 0, matrix we creating -1. So here we plot our graph of upper lines bits, and then we have odds. We generate odd value signal here. C1, we convert to matrix because the carrier only have a binary value. And then here we plot for the upper modulate signal, and then at this part is for events value, so we can see the different here is mi plus 1, so it's for even value. It's also same if m is equal to 1, so we'll get ms is equal to 1, else we will get ms is equal -1. And then at here we plot the low line bits, then for events it's for events, and we plot for the lower line modulate signal. So at here to having the Oqpsk, so we just odd plus even, and we can get Oqpsk. And then here we declare for the TQ, and then we plot our Oqpsk signal, and then at here Here we have to increase the value of A1, A2, A3 and A4. And for this part is the last part is demodulation part. Demodulation part, we declare TD1 is equal to 0, TD2 is equal to 2, and here we have a correlator part. The correlator part is used after we receive the message signal. And here is the decisions. We make the decision, and after that we plot for the Oqpsk demodulated graph. Now we start run our coding, and we get the graph here. We have a graph carrier signal 1 and carrier signal 2 for even and odd, and then here we have a graph Oqpsk, which is in phase, and then this one is the Oqpsk, the demodulated graph.